back to my channel. So today I created this look for you guys. It's really simple, but I did use some different techniques this time. This is one of those moments where I just sat down, took a palette, and I just wanted to create something. So the video is going to be a voiceover just because it's just easier that way when I don't know what I'm doing, what makeup look I'm doing, I mean. Yeah, so I hope you guys will enjoy this video. It was really different for me, and I like the way it turned out. So yeah, so with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. So just stick around if you want to see how I created this beautiful tutorial for you guys. Okay, so let's get started. So my brows are already done. Of course, the tutorial will be listed down below because you guys have seen me do it like 100 times already. So first what you want to do is put on some scotch tape. So we're just gonna sharpen the edges of our eyeshadow. Like that will give you like a more clean cut on the eyeshadow look. And I'm gonna take my NYX Fire Element palette. So first I'm gonna take like a big shadow brush and that tan color. I just want to set my concealer that I put to prime my lids. So I'm just gonna put it all over. And next I'm taking a blending brush, a pretty big blending brush, and that color in the top corner. And we're just gonna blend it in the crease. So you wanna keep it pretty light. You can always dip in the crease if you want something that's more dark, more dip in, more structured. For me, I just put it lightly on the in the crease. Blended it really well, and you want to put it all the way up to where you want your eyeshadow to go. And we're just gonna also do all the outer corner all the way down to the lash line. So next I'm taking a really smaller blending brush. I'm taking that purple color at the bottom of the palette. I'm just gonna go along the scotch tape, so it'll give you like a winged liner effect with the eyeshadow. So you're gonna want to go all the way up to where you want your liner to be, all the way down to the lash line. You can make it as dark as you want again, so it's up to you how dark you want it to be. Next I'm taking an eyeshadow brush, and I'm taking that last color at the palette. I'm just gonna put it all over the lid. Not really all over, don't put it like where you had your fake wing liner with the shadow. So mostly in the like on the lid. You can use your fingers also if you want, just to make it more intense. I always use my fingers just to make sure like all the glitter really stays on my lids, because sometimes I feel like the brushes just take it away. And after, I'm just taking back my blending brush and blending the crease and the lid color all together, so there's no harsh lines, of course. And you can always go back to the liner with that purple color just to intensify it a little bit more, because sometimes when we touch the other lid color, it just makes it disappear. And now I'm just taking out the scotch tape, so it should look something like this. So now for the face, I'm just gonna use my moisturizer by L'Oreal. Other products will be down below, of course, as usual, if you guys have any questions, if you guys don't see the product really well. For primer, I'm using my SmashBox primer, the smoothing one, mostly in my T-zone, just so everything is really smooth. For foundation, I'm using two foundations. It'll be listed down below, like I said before. This is my perfect match for right now, and I got a new beauty blender because that real tonic sponge is not good, so I had to go back to my beauty blender. And you just want to blend. It took me like not even 5 minutes to blend, I just want to say. For concealer, I'm using my Fit Me concealer by Maybelline. I'm just gonna dot all the everywhere. And I'm also gonna use my Better Skin Maybelline just because I have really hooded eyes right now and I look really tired, so this one just makes everything look brighter. And I just want to blend everything with my beauty blender again. So here I'm just taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I don't know why I didn't show it, but this is what I'm doing. And so I'm just setting my concealer everywhere on my face so I don't crease throughout the day. My forehead also, because I get really oily. And here I'm just gonna carve my cheeks because we're gonna do bronzer next. And yeah. So I'm taking my Bobbi Brown bronzer in deep. I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush. This is actually a blush brush, but I use it to put on my bronzers because it's really, it doesn't leave like a line, it's just really like smooth and blended, and I just love it like this. So we're gonna carve those cheeks. I'm gonna put on my nose and up like at the bottom of my lip, and then here I'm just dusting off all the translucent powder that was on my face. Next I'm taking a MAC blush. I think the name is Sweet as Cocoa. You guys will see down below, the name is there, I don't remember. Then I'm going back to the palette because I'm gonna work on the lower lash line. I'm gonna take the last color with an eyeshadow brush. We're just gonna do the first third of the eye with this color, and I'm going back with my two blended colors that we use on the crease and do the other part of the eye and blend everything in together with the outer corner. And next I'm just taking that blending brush. I'm not adding any more shadow, just gonna blend everything in together so everything looks seamless and smoked out. So for mascara, I'm using my Téléscopic mascara by L'Oreal. I'm using this on my top and bottom lashes, of course. I don't put much because we're gonna put false lashes as usual, of course. So for false lashes, thought I would use my number 11 by Kiss. This is the always lashes that I use. I don't really have any other lashes. I just love these lashes so much because it's just so natural. So these are the ones I love. And these are the ones I think I will always use. So this is how it looks. And for highlight, my first highlight I'm using is Topaz by Becca. I'm gonna put a little bit because I just want it to be my base, because we're gonna put another highlight after, like later. So for my lips, I'm using my lip liner, eyeliner by Rimmel. So I'm going pretty dark with that lip liner. Okay, I'm just saying. And then I'm using my Bow and Arrow lipstick by Kat Von D, and I'm really layering it like a lot more than I usually do. So this will be my nude lip, and you guys, it works really well with the purple lip. I tried it before, but I just ended up staying with the nude lip because I liked it more. So yeah, I'm just defining my lips even more, and I'm setting my face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray because it's the best. Hello. And then I'm just going back with highlighter. I'm using my Amrezy highlight just to blind you guys with my highlight. So I'm doing it on my nose and on my cheeks, just like that. So after you highlight, this is basically it, guys. So you can just fix your hair, make it look cute and everything. And yeah, that's it. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. See ya.